This is a really useful report from Google. Far too often when I talk to businesses, their executives just say, we need some AI. And they have no idea what they want to use AI for. So this report actually has 601 examples of how it can be used. There's some big companies and case studies here. And honestly, it just goes on and on and on. I mean, it's a huge report. If you run a company, this is useful because you can see what some of the leading use cases are and then emulate it. Or, and this is the exciting one, if you are a consultant, you can use these as case studies to go and win clients. You can say, hey, this is what the big boys in our industry are doing. Do you want to do something similar? Here's how you can be really clever. Once you find something like this one, Tabia built Compass, that you think would be a useful project, simply copy paste all of this, stick it into Google, and you'll find that the company will be talking about what they've built. Companies love to talk about this kind of stuff. Then chase it down, find the tool. I'm picking on this one here, but this works with any of them. Then you can run a prompt like this. I want to build a tool like Compass by Tabia. What are the steps? Give me a project plan. I'm using the research mode and allowing it to use web search. And then your AI is going to go off and create a plan. This can take a while, so have a cup of coffee. The back of it has created a whole to-do list, a project plan for us to go through and replicate in our particular industry, either for ourselves or for a client. And yeah, this is pretty cool. So why do all this? The main reason is that these are existing projects. So teams, big teams, have put time and money into validating that it's probably a good idea. Obviously, this does not guarantee it is, but it's much easier than starting at tabula rasa, starting from a completely blank slate and coming up with it from scratch. So the big opportunity here is to do this for people in your industry. You go and find other companies that might want this kind of tool in the same industry or a parallel industry, and then you deploy that project plan that we've just created for them. Your sales hook is going to be the case study of a successful company who's already deployed something like this, and we use AI to reverse engineer how we'd actually build something like this. Heads up, if you found this useful, I have a WhatsApp group where we discuss this kind of business opportunity and go into a lot more detail than I can on a TikTok video. The link is in the bio. There's also a newsletter where I go through a tactic, a plan like this every single week. See you inside.